Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Laxipan website review. In this website, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So let's have the quick review of this homepage. So this is their homepage, like outwear, tops, bottoms, and so on. So let's click on the menu section, guys. So there are so many categories like outwear, holiday, dresses, apparel, swimwear, body shape, and so on. Okay guys, let's check it out the About Us page. So this is the About Us page and they have described about their website. Now contact us page. So for the contact, they have provided their email ID, telephone, and the contact person. And if you have a query, so you can fill your name, address, and the comment and send it to them. Guys, do share your comment in the comment box below. Let's check it out their easy returns. So in this page, they have described about their return process. Like it take 3 to 5 business days. Also, they have provided their return address, as you all can see that. So let's check it out their shipping policy. So this is their shipping policy, and they have mentioned that they process and ship packages Monday through Friday. Let's check it out their privacy policy. So this is their privacy policy, and they have described about their policies for the privacy purpose, like how they collect the data, what kind of personal data they collect, and so on. Let's check it out their terms of services. So this is their terms of services where they have described about their terms and conditions for this website. Also, they have provided the information, like they have provided email ID, telephone number, and the address. And here is the option for Facebook, Google, Instagram, and YouTube. But guys, if you click on this button, so it will directly go to the Facebook page only, like your Facebook page. It will not open with this website page. Okay guys, let's go to the home page. Okay guys, according to me, this is one of the fraud site of a big scam network. So I saw the customer reviews. So this website will never send you a single item you pay for. Once you order an item, you will end up waiting for that item forever. Actually, the aim of this website is to take your bank information and sell that to the scammers which made you cards replica and steal your money. So do not buy anything from this fraud website. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.